Outside all day. Easy challenge. How could you not wanna be outside all day? Last time we was here, we were the John D. Rockefellers of this lake. We were on that ice. And we monopolized this lake and this lake's roach production. By the way, I tasted them roaches, and Finnish people really don't like roaches. Their folk wisdom is that they are bottom feeders. They bullshit ass eating, not good eating. So I wanted to gain personal experience, which is the best knowledge you can have concerning your own reality. And I gotta say the folk wisdom is kinda right and kinda wrong. By the way, we are fishing right now. No fish yet. We got the Gandhi energy today. That poor freaking Gandhi vegetarian energy. So no fish yet. Look at the place. We anchored on this tree. We on a boat. There's still ice on the lake. We eating raw chicken, bro. So yeah, the roaches, they were kinda bad, kinda good. They were edible. But I ate them cooked. They would be pretty freaking poor eating raw. They got big bones for a small fish. The scales, you definitely couldn't eat the scales. When I ate the smelled, or the wendans, those small fish, you can eat the scales and everything, the bones and everything. But the roaches, the bones, the scales, the flesh is alright. You could survive from roaches. But birch is what we are after. I just saw a huge pike over there. It was jumping, eating some of my fishy fish. It's me versus the pikes. Who's the boss of this lake? But right now it's not looking good. But this is not the time. Like I said in my ice fishing video, my raw chicken, salmon, nutella lunchtime does not mix with the fishy fishes lunchtime. They take the lunchtime off. They're doing intermittent fasting. They only eat at the morning, and then they start to eat at the afternoon. At least at this lake. There's a seagull. That's a good omen. Got to be. The seagulls always love the fishy fish. I also saw a bunch of ducks over here. There's the fishes are jumping. Maybe I should go there. But this spot is pretty sweet because I can anchor my boat to this tree. It doesn't look like much of a stream, but you still start to float away when you ain't anchored. Even without the sunshine, being outside all day feels good. Also, it's not that cold. If it's super cold, normies, they in trouble. But me, I don't feel cold. Except in my heart. That is ice cold. And that is cooler than being cool. Let's check. Can we get a fish for you guys? No, no fish. Sorry. Maybe I should feed them some raw chicken. Think about that. First, give the fishy fish some of their good ass salmon nutella. And then the fishy fish eat the salmon nutella. Then I catch the fishy fish. And I get double the salmon nutella. I get that tapeworm plus salmon nutella. Sander would be cool to catch. Those are very good eating. Amazing eating. But I'm worm fishing again. And I have never heard anybody get sander worm fishing. Anyway, outside all day challenge 2025. Let's get it going. Even though it's not challenge, it's not one bit of a challenge. And you feel so good.